Hi, my name is Mohsen. In this series of video, we are talking about philosophy. If you saw few videos that I recorded before, you know that what is philosophy and what was the thinking of that ancient Greece at that time that caused birth of philosophy. But the first lesson of the philosophy is this: question common belief, or what the majority of the people believe that. Question that. Critical thinking is all about that. Question all things. Doubt is the first principle of philosophy. I told you about some philosopher until Socrates. And I told you the Socrates and what happened in Socrates time. And it was a milestone. It was the time that everything shifted, everything changed, that everyone, pioneers, everyone wanted to make changes, have to pay the price, like Socrates. Socrates was condemned by the society of that time. The people ahead of the society, they decide that Socrates made a mess and he should be persecuted. Now, let me talk about before Socrates, because I want to talk about disciples of Socrates, the person who taught by Socrates. But before that, let me talk about the first philosopher called philosopher of the nature. Those people who pay attention to the nature, they pay attention to the world around them, to the surroundings. Heraclitus said everything is in flow. Nothing is permanent. And there is contradiction in the world. No, day and light, good and bad, and all that. If contradiction didn't exist, we didn't have the world as we have it today. So it's essential existence of the contradiction. He used the word logos, which means wisdom instead of God. I mean, gods of all that time that people believe in God. But we see that the same happened today. Let me talk about it later on. And another philosopher was Empedocles. He said that the world isn't consist of only one matter, but four different material, which are soil, air, fire, and water. At that time, the only thing they could think of was it couldn't be only one. There should be at least four. And another philosopher, Anaxagoras, believed that nature consists of small particle that we cannot see. Every particle we can see is divided into smaller particles that we cannot see, which is very modern thinking. He couldn't see the a small particle because he didn't have access to microscope or anything modern time. But he was thinking that there should be a small particle instead of every object. And he called that small particle seed or core or anything that is basic to formation of everything else. Unfortunately, again, someone who wants to make a change, they call him heresy, and he again, like Socrates, was charged and condemned as some who doesn't believe in God. They said, you don't believe in God, that's why you are telling this kind of thing. It was from ancient time, even now in modern time.